everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a simple login program in Raku. So we're going to start off creating a scalar here called password, and we're going to assign it a password. So it's just going to be ABC123. So that's our password there. And then we're going to create a function or a subroutine. It's going to be a login, and we're just going to put that down there. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to create another scalar variable here called pass, equal to prompt, because we're going to get some user input here in the form of a password, asking the user to enter password. Okay. Right, so now we're going to do a conditional. So if scalar pass is not equal to password, and then we're going to do something. We're going to say incorrect login and then we're going to say message error. So that's going to take us down into another subroutine. Else. Say login correct. And we're going to go down into another subroutine here, which we're going to create in a minute. So that's going to be message welcome. Right, so we're going to create the next subroutine, which is going to be sub message welcome. And what's going to happen here, we're going to come down to this subroutine, and this is going to say welcome from message box. That's going to say login correct. And now we're going to create the error subroutine. So that's going to be sub message error. Okay, and we're going to just print out a message to the user. So that's going to be say, and we're just going to say something simple like an error occurred. Okay, so now we're going to call this by typing in login. Okay, let's just save that. and we're going to run the program. My DOS prompt here, so that's going to be Raku new dot Raku. Okay, enter a password. So I'm going to enter the correct password, ABC123, and there you go. Welcome from the message box. So what it's done, it's come down to this box here. It says login is correct. Welcome from the message box. Login is correct. Okay, let's try it again. Raku. So that's going to be new.raku. Okay, let's enter in totally wrong passport. Like that. Okay, so incorrect error. So what it's done, it's taken us down to this message box here. Oops, that's disappeared. And it says an error occurred. I'll just neaten that up a little bit there. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and drop me a comment. You know, I like smart comments. So smart is good, smart ass is not good. I don't particularly want those. So I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.